boy got that good Tomei. Yes, sir. Got a gap in my own car. All right. Yo, so we got the GoPro on. My boys in my Q60 is about to do a review on that real soon. I'm about to hop on this G37. Yes, sir. It's bringing back so many memories. I am not gonna lie. That G37 though, G37 Coupe, don't forget. Not the sedan. About to hop in that boy. Gotta adjust the seat. That boy sits high up, I am not gonna lie. But one thing I'm excited about, for sure, is this exhaust. That boy got that good Tomei. Yes, sir. Gotta mention it every time. Shout out my boy Fresh Kicks. Is that a Tomei, dog? Hey, shout out my boy. Yes, sir. Hey. But about to hop in that thing, about to start it up. Yeah. Oh, wait, but hold on. That Q60 though. That Q60 though. That motherfucker bad. I am not gonna lie. Shit. I love that motherfucker. These how the vlogs would have looked if I started up my channel with a G37. But bro, we about to do some cruising right now. About to go in. About to do some just some driving with my car. So it's gonna be pretty cool. This one is an all-wheel drive. Bro, that Q60 though. That shit looks so motherfucking nice. Jeez, bro, that shit looks so wet. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Oh shit, that's my car. Woo. That Tomei though. Bro, I love this car. This car is nice, bro. Just I'm a annoying VQ today, yes sir. Oh, but that Q60 though, I'm glad I traded it in, bro, because that motherfucker is wet. That stance on it, bro, what? You don't want that shit? You don't want no smoke? Gap in my own car. Yeah. Stop playing with me. I just got my own car, boy. That boy slow. That shit slow as fuck, bro. Slow? Yeah. Calling my own car slow is hilarious, man. But oh, we got a G35 right here. Let's see. Hey, we got a G35 right here. A G35. We should line it up with him.
So we got a G35 in front of this Honda right here.
Shoot, so that's perfect. All the years of the coupes, G35, G37, and the Q60. Let's pull up on that boy. I hope that boy has a Tomei. Let's bully that Q's. dude going. Yeah, man. Enjoying that motherfucking G37 tank. Stop playing with me. I need to do a launch in this thing. Okay. Hey, one thing I did not like about these G37s was the tan rooftop interior. That shit was disgusting. I wish it was all black, because it would always get dirty like this. And yeah, it's good POV. Look at that Q60 though. What the fuck? That shit is wet. Bro, I know this was like a comparison video of the two cars, but like, you might want to go with that Q60 in all black. You cannot go wrong. I don't know if I'm biased or not, but damn, that shit's just so nice. I'm in. Got my own car again. Got my own car again. Oh shit, he's gaining. G37 though. Yee. That shit fire. The downshifts. These downshifts from the outside sound even crazier too. Oh, that Q60 looks so wet. Oh my god. Bro. Alright. I don't know. I low-key just want to follow my car around still. This shit looks so clean. If you want a G37 biased review, go to my boy's channel for sure, because he's gonna have a better opinion on this car since he still does have it. This motherfucker is loud. I'm an annoying VQ. Yes, sir. Bro, we are causing so much havoc, bro. Sheesh. Bro, this shit looks wet as a bitch. Q60 stocks need to go up after this vid. Facts. This shit look good. Oh my god. Alright. This convinced me to mod the shit out of my car now. Bro, what? That shit looks so good. So we back, and after driving this car, I low-key wish I had both, but that Q60 is a bad motherfucker, bro. Like, really, bro, when it comes from the behind, pause, that shit looks good with the front windshield tint. Like, bro, this car is stock as shit.
It is. Yeah.
Stock as shit.
Looks so well.
Just it has literally those winglets right there. That's it on the mirror caps. But that shit looks so exotic. I want to say like.
It does.
I don't know if I'm just being like biased as shit to my car, but this shit kind of looks
And
exotic,
it's
bro.
low.
Yeah, bro.
It doesn't look like regular traffic one bit with the windshield tint.
Yeah, bro.
It's super aggressive.
Super aggressive. That's the thing. Super aggressive, but like chill at the same time.
You got some camber in the back too.
Bro,
Really nice
and the fitment is perfect too. While I was driving with it, the fitment is nice as shit on this car. I'm very happy with the results. Like
just spacers?
Spacers. So it has 25 millimeter in the back and then 20 in the front. So bro,
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all might want to get this car, this Q60. You save up a little bit more and get the Q60. But I would say in black though, cause think about it.
Black is
Black is the way to go, cause like
with the windshield tint, man.
yeah, with a white car or like a silver, it don't hit the same. You don't get all the angles, like all the sleek lines. Like, bro, this shit looks aggressive as shit. But hey, this G37, bro, this is not a slouch still to this day. Like, it's still a good bang for your buck. You could get one for a good $8,000 and bro, what? You'll be having the time of your life with throw a Tomei on that thing. I was having fun with that Tomei, bro. That Tomei's fun as shit, bro. That shit sounds literally like a trumpet, and like you just know you're being a menace. That's one thing. Like you kind of just know you're being a menace while you're in a VQ. So it's like, hey, that's why everybody has these Infinitis, cause shit, bro, they're just overall fun cars.
Cheap, reliable, good amount of horsepower.
Cheap, reliable, good amount of horsepower. That's all you need, bro. You don't need no 700 horsepower to go kill yourself. No. But nah, lucky you do. But shit, if you want to start out, bro, this car is perfect. And I feel like this is the perfect, like, just start out car, beginner's car. Like, seriously. Like, bro, start with this car, go to that car, and get a motherfucking M4 after that. Like, exactly. That's the way to go. Then after that M4, get a Porsche. Yeah, so
that's how you want to do it.
Bro, yeah.
Baby steps, man.
Baby steps. Baby steps. And it's all about leveling up in this life, bro. So let's just keep climbing this ladder of life. And yeah, we'll be at the top soon. Facts. Me and my boy Justin, be there. Let's do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram at D2Rich. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram at D2Rich, please. I need to get my clout up on there. That shit will be fire as shit. But honestly, I don't even know if I want to end this video still, because I want to keep driving around in this G and following my car around. Shit. So, yeah, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go follow my boy at Justin. What's your Instagram, bro?
Justin_Rayke, R-A-Y-K-E. Yeah, go give me a follow, man. Thanks.
Yes, sir. That's my dog. So, if you guys want to see G37 content, that's the guy to follow. Yes, sir. Hope y'all boys enjoyed.